This is going to be so amazing. I have everything set up. All we have to do is assemble it. Sounds perfect, right? It does. Too perfect. Are you sure nothing's gonna go wrong? No, I've spent years perfecting this design. Adam, you've helped me. You know I've done a good job. Yup. This way, you guys. We're taking the back entrance. Are your parents gone again? Yeah, my dad's at a dig site in Egypt, and my mom, I think, is in Australia. Okay, come on, guys. We've got a time machine to build. Plus, I installed a kitchen. You gotta see it.
A good thing, too, seeing as you live down there.
You know it. You guys, check it out. Look, it's raining.
Well, what's so fantastic about rain?
Well, you see, our lightning source for the time machine is powered by this diamond my mom found. It's got amazing energy, only you have to have a lot of energy sucked into it for it to actually work. So, if it gets hit by lightning, and we just happen to stick it on a really high lightning rod, then we're all set to go. We can actually go in the time machine sooner than I expected. This is awesome! Let's go, you guys!
I had a feeling this experiment of his was gonna involve lightning.
Yup.
Jason? Jason, where are you?
Just a moment.
Jason, are you okay? Jason? Come on.
Yup.
Jason!
Whoa.
Are you okay?
Actually, I'm more than okay. I'm fabulous, fantastic, great.
Did you hit your head on something?
No! Haven't you guys noticed that it's thundering and lightning out? Yup. You know what this means?
No.
This means that we can charge our crystal that powers our time machine, which means as soon as we finish it, we can use it. I never thought that we'd have a thunderstorm this soon. What if I go and I do, yeah.
Jason, is he gonna be okay?
Yup.
Where's he going?
Don't know.
Jason!
Give me 5 seconds. I wonder what he's gonna... Jason? Let's do this.
Jason, tell me you're not going out there.
Yeah. Guys, just give me 5 minutes. This is crucial. We're even lucky that we got a thunderstorm this soon. It could have been months until we could test this thing out. Now we have our power source in advance. This is great. Don't you dare go out there. Remember that time when you made me fly your stupid kite for your science experiment? I could have died. I was lucky. I just got a bad hair day. Selene, I'll be fine. Stop worrying. Adam, you're behind me, right? Be fine. I'll be right back.
Jason!
I can't watch anymore. I'm going back to the lab. Now, if I could just say... Ahem. Booyah. Ta-da! Lady and gent, I present to you our time-traveling masterpiece.
You mad genius, you.
Yup. Now, all we gotta do is put it together. What do you guys say?
Ahem. Heck.
Yes. You guys, we actually did it. We built a time machine. Yep.
So, are we gonna,
What?
use it?
Heck yeah, let's do this!
Wait a second, before we do it, we need to decide where we're gonna go.
Yup.
You said that if Adam and I helped you make this thing, we got to choose where to go first.
True, very true. So then, where are we gonna go?
Well, Adam and I have thought about it, and we decided where we're gonna go. Can you guess?
No, Selene, I cannot guess. Come on, you guys, I want to do this. What'd you guys decide?
One word. Lottery.
The lottery? You guys, our parents are already super rich. What's the point of that?
Think about it. Once we graduate from high school, we're not gonna have any money, so we can put some of it aside. Plus, we're gonna need new parts for the time machine. And I want to give some to charity.
Fine, sounds good to me. Now can we try this thing out? I'm dying.
Alright, let's do it.
Think about it, you guys. We're gonna be the first time travelers ever in history.
Yeah, but how are we all gonna fit inside of it?
I think you're gonna like this.
What? A hallway? How the heck did you fit a hallway in this thing, Jason?
Just keep walking, you'll figure it out.
I can't see anything.
Just keep walking. Trust me, we're getting to one of the best parts. Oh my dog. It's gorgeous. How the heck did you even get this in here? Think. I'm gonna do it one day, you know.
What?
Build a time machine.
Yeah, sure. Just make sure when you do, you don't wake me up at 3 in the morning.
Oh, I won't.
What, is it gonna be bigger inside too, like the doctor's?
If you want it that way.
Haha, you're so funny. You're joking, right?
No, I'm serious. I'll make it that way if you want me to.
Let's watch. You made it bigger on the inside than on the outside, didn't you?
Well, you asked me to, didn't you? I was joking. You mad genius boy. You guys are gonna love the rest of the ship. There's bedrooms and a bathroom and a kitchen and everything. Really? Whoa. Yeah, I figured if we go on a bunch of adventures, we're gonna need to kind of have this as our house, right?
Yeah, that's actually pretty smart.
Yup. Well, you guys wanna do this? Yeah, let's go! Here we are. This is the main part of the time machine. So, do you like it? Are you kidding me? It's incredible. And when you said a diamond, I thought you were talking about the little one in the box. Not something as huge as that. Well, actually, that little diamond was the one I was talking about. It just makes this one way bigger and powerful. Oh. You know, the time machine actually runs off of mostly diamonds and crystals and solar power. And that's really cool. Actually, that's genius. So anywhere we go, even if we get stuck, we can get back. Exactly. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Heck yes. Let's do this. It's working.
Looks fine.
Okay. You guys might want to prepare yourselves. You have about 5 seconds until I hit the button and we go. I suggest you fasten your seatbelts, everybody. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Oh crap! What? Seatbelts? Oh no, we didn't install them, did we? No. You guys didn't install seatbelts? I'm sure we'll be fine. Everything's going along smoothly, don't you think?
You call this smooth?
Yup.
Jason, what the heck does that red blinking mean and that siren?
Uh-oh. No, no, no! Wrong!
I thought you said everything was going smoothly.
It was until now. I'm so sorry, you guys. You might want to brace yourselves. We're about to land in 5 seconds. I'm so sorry, this is all my fault.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
We're in this together.
Get ready, you guys. Oh, this was such a bad idea.